Janeiro called Espirito Santo. So we'll be there for the next 3 days. Yeah, I think for the most part we'll just kind of do some walking around in Espirito Santo, maybe check out some of the beaches, find some nice food. And now we are stuck in traffic, so as you can see, this is Búzios traffic. It's one road going in and out. Alright, we finally made it into Vitoria, which is in Espirito Santo. Just arrived at the hotel, checked in. We're staying at the Triangulo Apart Hotel. So this is a pretty nice room. I got it for about 43 US dollars a night. So it has plenty of space. As you can see, I'll give you a little tour here. So we have a little kitchen. It's a stove, microwave, refrigerator, even has utensils. So I think later we might just get some things for the microwave and stay in because we're kind of exhausted after the drive today. But anyways, they have a couch here, TV, got a table. Here's the bedroom, an extra TV for the bedroom, window. Comes with a safe, some extra drawers, some storage for keeping things, mirror, and pretty nice large bathroom. And one of the best features of this unit is the balcony with a view of the beach that way. A bunch of shopping down here. Looks like there's a bunch of coffee, and then you can see downtown Vitoria. I think I just felt some rain. So we're right in the heart of downtown area, Central. So I'm really excited about this location. There seems to be a lot going on and a lot of things to do, and we're close to the beach, so we'll be going to the beach tomorrow. We haven't decided which one, but it looks like there's quite a few options as the beach kind of meanders this way and follows the coast out to this bay here. So anyways, my first time in Vitoria. We'll go explore a little bit. Crossing the bridge over to Vila Velha from Vitoria, and it's a nice sunny day. We're going to Praia do Costa, which is in Vila Velha. We had a nice breakfast this morning. Old Village, I guess. Yeah, Old Village. Vitoria's victory. Yeah. Victory in Old Village in the state of Espirito Santo. And some friendlier prices, hopefully, too, for things at the beach. I don't want to pay another 15 reals for our coconut water. But I really like this city so far. It's really laid back. It feels really safe here to walk around. Last night I was just too tired to film any further because it was just a long drive, and we just basically went to the grocery store, got a couple items, and then I stopped at like a burger place on the way back and ate some food there. But so we were gonna go to a beach in Vitoria, but talking to the staff at the hotel, they had said that the water was kind of dirty today in Vitoria, so that's why we're making our way this way. So is it common for the water to be kind of dirty that way?
In Vitoria is,
I
but
think
not in Vila Velha.
Got it. So it's probably because they're more exposed to the wind, which kind of rips up the...
Yeah, he said because the rain.
Oh, the rain and the river probably there.
Yeah, and they have a company that extracts material.
Oh, yeah, so they do some excavation around there, so the water gets pretty dirty. So anyways, we're going to go to a nicer beach to dip in the water, swim, and yeah, so here,
What is
traffic. And then he has the audacity to hold him up. That's pretty funny.
No, but this guy was like...
He pulled out in front of him, now he's just sitting in front of him.
He's super slow. The traffic is going and he's...
No, and that's what I'm saying. The guy who pulled out in front of him and then was holding up traffic after. It's about 1 p.m. and still here at Praia do Canto e Capua. Sorry, I apologize if you can't hear it. It's really windy here. The umbrella's not working very well. But the water's really nice. So, as you can see, there's a couple islands out in front of us. Airplanes flying in to Vitoria. Bike path, yeah.
Here, I think it's already Praia da Costa.
Praia da Costa.
I think so.
Não. Daquele morro ali, onde morava
Playground for the kids.
I think during the night.
Huh? Looks like they have, what are these? Oh.
It's a platform.
Platform.
For minerals and petroleum and I don't know. Oh, here's easier.
I know. We're in the
They have like nets for games.
volleyball games and sorts of stuff going on.
Futsal.
So you can see the view of. You can see, look at all the people that way. So that's got to be downtown that way.
I think there is Ponta da Sereia.
Ponta da Sereia. Sereia.
Sereia is mermaid.
Mermaid?
Yeah.
Point of Mermaid.
Yeah, Point of Mermaid.
Find some volley. Muito popular. I would not be very good at this.
Yeah, and it's practicing.
These guys are good. Where we were at, because it was a lot quieter.
It is the most popular beach.
Most popular beach here. Bridge. You don't have to pay going to Vila Velha, but you have to pay going to Vitoria. At some of these places, they have a thing called Papa Fila, which is called Eat Line. Mm-hmm. So it's a way to kind of get through quicker. And when you pay for it, you have to pay an exact change. And when you get up to the toll booth, you just hand them the card and you go through a lot quicker. We've probably spent close to 200 reals this trip already on tolls. So when you think about it, that's like $50 already.
Yeah.
That's expensive. And then the rates are different for different type of vehicles here, so it's hard to see, but you can see over there that
get closer.
Yeah, the cars are $280. Larger vehicles like moving trucks and things like that are $560. And it looks like a car with a trailer on it, towing a small trailer is $4 or 4 reals 20 cents. Buses pay $8.40, and I imagine that's kind of private buses. If it's a city bus, yeah. I'm sure they have an agreement.
Yeah. Boa tarde. Obrigada.
And we're free. Anyways, we're getting pretty close to the hotel, and I'll check in later.